Motorsport. We have a 2007 997 GT3RS. We just installed our high-performance competition air intake system, which involves the full carbon fiber setup with the wide pipe and the heat shield. It also installed our high-performance headers with tour and cell sport cats, so it complies with emissions and no-check engine lights. We installed our side muffler bypass pipes in the car to save some weight and improve the sound. And to complement everything, we did also our Maxflo mufflers in the back to take the edge off and still give it a nice sound, and with our big 4.5-inch black tips. And we'll give you a couple blips and a pull-off.